Welcome to this GPS quiz feature tutorial on notifications. Notifications is a new feature that is available to premium and business users of GPS quiz. It allows you to monitor the activity on your quiz walks by getting notification messages when teams start, finish, or cancel any of your quiz walks. Notifications for personal quiz walks are available to premium users only, but if you're a free user that manages a business, you will get notifications about activity on the business quiz walks. The notifications are accessed by clicking the bell icon in the top right corner of the GPS quiz web page. If you have unread notifications, the bell will have a red dot on it. Just click the bell to open the notifications view. When you go back to the start page, the notifications are considered to be read and the red dot will disappear until new notifications arrive. Next, let's take a look at how you can access your notifications on a mobile device. After logging in, the notifications will be available in the menu on the start page. New notifications will be added in real time, just like on the desktop web page. That's it for this feature tutorial on GPS quiz notifications. Thanks for watching.